Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Elite Gourmet ETO4510MX French Door Convection Oven. I've looked through the information available across the internet, and in this review, I'll tell you whether I think you should buy it or skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the size. With a 45-liter capacity, the ETO4510MX can handle up to 18 slices of toast across 2 racks, and it can accommodate up to 2 14-inch pizzas at the same time. That's a big advantage if you're cooking for a family or preparing multiple dishes without constantly waiting for one batch to finish. It can even handle a turkey weighing up to 20 pounds, which gives this countertop oven much more versatility than a basic toaster oven. With 4 rack positions, you can also adjust the interior depending on whether you're baking, roasting, or cooking multiple items. The French door design is another feature that makes a lot of sense in a countertop appliance. Instead of opening one large door that swings outward, you can open one or both doors depending on what you're doing. This can save valuable counter space and make it easier to access food. The cooking functions are also quite versatile. You can use the oven for baking, broiling, toasting, rotisserie cooking, and keeping food warm. So instead of needing separate appliances for several common cooking tasks, this one unit can cover a lot of them. Convection cooking is particularly useful. A built-in fan circulates hot air around the oven, helping food cook more evenly while potentially reducing cooking time. For things like roasted meats, baked goods, and pizzas, that circulating heat can help produce crispier surfaces and more consistent results. If you enjoy roasted chicken or similar meals, the built-in rotisserie is another nice addition. The included spit and fork assembly rotates the food as it cooks, helping it brown more evenly from different angles. One feature I really like is the independent temperature control. The upper and lower heating elements can be adjusted separately, with temperatures going up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use only one heating element or both, depending on the cooking method, giving you more control than a simple toaster oven with a single temperature setting. There's also a 60-minute timer with an automatic shut-off and signal, which is useful if you're multitasking in the kitchen. You can set your cooking time and let the oven turn itself off when the timer finishes. The stainless steel exterior also gives the oven a more premium appearance. The door uses safety-tempered glass, allowing you to monitor your food while it cooks, while the slide-out crumb and grease tray makes cleanup easier. Of course, there are some limitations to consider. This is still a large countertop oven, so you'll need enough counter space to accommodate it. And while it can roast a surprisingly large turkey and cook 2 pizzas, you shouldn't expect the exact same performance or capacity as a full-size built-in kitchen oven. After looking through the information available online, I think the Elite Gourmet ETO4510MX is especially appealing for families, apartment kitchens, and anyone who wants additional cooking capacity without installing another full-size oven. Would I buy it? Based on what I found online, yes, if I needed a versatile countertop oven that could handle everything from toast and pizza to roasting and rotisserie cooking. The large capacity, convection system, French doors, and independent heating controls make it much more flexible than a basic toaster oven. I would skip it if you have a small kitchen with very limited counter space, or if you already have a large oven that handles all of these tasks comfortably. In that situation, the extra countertop appliance may not be necessary. My final verdict is buy if you want a large, versatile countertop oven that can handle family-sized meals while offering multiple cooking methods. The Elite Gourmet ETO4510MX combines useful capacity, convection cooking, rotisserie functionality, flexible temperature control, and a space-saving French door design into one practical appliance.